Welcome, my name is Max Ackman, and today we're going to do some basic searching with the Consumer Reports database. First thing we want to do after getting to the library's website is scroll down and select the database link on the right hand side of the page. This will bring us to an alphabetical listing of all the databases. We'll select C and then scroll down to Consumer Reports. Normally you'd want to log in here. I've already logged in, so if you have any trouble with that, please reach out to us through chat or email. The Consumer Reports database has a lot of information available to you just right on their front page, so don't be afraid to browse. The search bar, of course, is up here at the top. It pops out right there once it gets fully loaded. The amount of information on this front page I can't really understate here. So they have product testing if you want to look for an individual product. This is one way. Relevant news such as coronavirus is available here at the moment. There's also site tools and features over here, an A to Z product guide, which is pretty neat as well. But again, that might be more useful if you know exactly what you're looking for. And then you can actually scroll down even more to see even some more articles that are being promoted right now. So let's just check on one here, best of sunscreens of 2020. This is information that at least shouldn't be changing here anytime soon. So this is going to give you an overview of the sunscreen testing that they've done. This is the article's title, the author. You can share it in a number of different places here. And then as you kind of scroll through here, it's going to give you an overview of how they did their testing and kind of talk about some of the interesting facts that came out about it. You can actually, if you select access the ratings here, it'll take you over to all the sunscreens that were rated. How they came back, the recommendations. You got the overview, I believe is where we were at. Let it load here. Alright, now that everything is loaded, this is kind of the format that it's going to show you for a lot of different products, not just sunscreens, but this is very nice, very straightforward. You have limiters here on the left-hand side, so if you want to kind of narrow down what you're looking at in this list, you can also, so it's being separated by overall score, but if you select any of these, you can change how you're seeing this list. Once you do find an interesting product, you can actually select that product, and it'll give you an overview of just that specific product, how it rated, where you can, the price, where you can buy it at, where you can shop. Pretty neat, the specs. Features of this product, user reviews as well. So a lot of information available to you. It's not just that. We'll do a quick search up here so I can show you with cell phones of all the information that they have to provide you when searching this database. So it's not just individual smartphones like we would think of, but they also have information about service providers and carriers per city, so a lot of good information. There's even more about refurbished cell phones as well. Let's just jump up here with smartphones, and I'll kind of show you again how they put everything in a nice legible graph here, and how you can kind of change that up depending on what you're looking for. Alright, now that's all loaded here, you can see that with cell phones there's a lot more things that they were testing for. It goes into being a little more in-depth about what they're talking about, especially now that the price has gone up considerably compared to what we were looking at before. You also have the ability here to compare products as well, so you can do 3 at a time. So this is pretty neat way to kind of narrow down the field. Once you get everything set up, you can see that by narrowing it down to just 3, it makes it a lot easier to kind of view all the different aspects that they were judging these smartphones on. That being said, if you have any questions, if you have any issues using this database, please reach out to us either through chat or email.